Your customers are demanding more complex architectural millwork with shorter deadlines. Mikron is here as your partner to give you the most advanced woodworking precision machines to handle all your woodworking needs. Mikron is the leader in manufacturing the most versatile molder on the market. With the M645 Tilting Arbor Multi-moulder, the M652R Tilting Arbor Multi-moulder with router, and the R200 automatic Rosette machine, now you can produce curves, circles, arches, elliptical moldings, and curved crown. Everything you need from banisters to bar rails and all your straight molding with the greatest of ease. Whether you're turning out one piece or 10,000. The Mikron M645 and the M652R leave all other woodworking tools behind with world-class features, construction, reliability, and most of all, service support. The Mikron M645 and the M652R will make the hard job easy. From traditional straight moldings to corners, ellipses, or curves with a minimum radius of 7 inches depending on the profile, watch the Mikron multi-moulder produce a beautiful circle in real time. Imagine how many perfect pieces it'll produce in an hour. Now watch the Mikron multi-moulder produce a beautiful ellipse in real time. The automatic stock feeder will handle complex multiple runs, quick and easy, with perfect results every time. Once you have your first piece set up, then it's just a continuous feed, same as any large head molders. Same perfect results for the constant curve and straight molding. The Mikron multi-moulder sets up quickly for minimal downtime, maximum productivity, and consistently superior results. See how quickly you can go from one type of radius directly into a whole new set in minutes. Translate your challenging architectural drawings perfectly. Note the floating table. Keep your radius directly under the cutting head at all times. For one pass or 100. Compound curves, no problem. Blanks are fed through automatically. The Mikron multi-moulder handles up to 6-inch feed stock with ease, up to 30 feet per minute, forward or reverse, for perfect results and happy customers every time. Curved crowns, a challenge to the most experienced woodworker. With the Mikron multi-moulder, even jobs like this are no problem. The Mikron multi-moulder really is the right tool for every woodworking job. Underneath the easily removable dust cover is a rugged spindle driven by a reliable 5 or 7.5 horsepower motor. The patented design tilts the cutting heads up to 52 degrees. The Mikron variable drive system is both in-feed and out-feed independent of each other. The feed system can accept blanks up to 7 inches in height. The standard variable speed feed system will allow you to go from 0 to 30 feet per minute and even allow you to start and stop with the feed independent from the cutter head. The Mikron multi-moulder is built for the professional builder. It's a world-class machine. It's the perfect solution for your shop. And now the Mikron multi-moulder has a smarter, stronger brother, the M652R multi-moulder with router. This machine will perform all the duties of the M645, and it features the first ever 3¼ horsepower Porter Cable 5-speed vertical router system. With a few simple steps, the multi-moulder with router switches from cutting horizontally to cutting vertically. The M652R is quickly establishing itself as the global standard in precision woodworking. And here's another perfect solution: the Mikron R200 automatic Rosette machine. Compact and rugged, it turns out up to 500 pieces per hour. Feed the hopper with blanks from 2½ to 5 inches. Set the cutting head and watch it go. The Mikron R200 combines strength, speed, and precision for perfect results in an instant. With precision and quality, every Mikron machine is built to demanding standards by the best engineers and woodworkers in the industry. All Mikron machines are built for low maintenance, high quality, and increased productivity, which means increased profits for you. From a family of machines that are small enough for the custom shop and powerful enough for a large shop, and strong enough for tall orders with short deadlines. A family of professional woodworking tools that leaves the competition waiting at the corner. For more information, please contact Mikron Woodworking Machinery Limited, 1588 Highway 60, Renfrew, Ontario. Phone 1-800-496-4589. Or check out their website at www.mikronmachinery.com.